Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the new email app. So as you'll see on your home screen here, there's a new email app. Click on that and that will go into the app right here. So what you can do is click create new email account, and then once you're in here, let's give it a name. Let's say someone on my team is John Smith, so I could type their name and like so. Now I have a choice. I can either create a brainmail.com account, which is the default, and everyone can create that kind of account. By the way, that's what we're calling this new email system, just brainmail.com. You can go directly to the website, kind of like Gmail. Or you can add your own domain name. So if you click this link here, it'll bring you back to this page where you can add a domain name that you already own, or you can buy a new domain name right from this page. So once you've done that, you can go back to the email page, click new email account, John Smith, and then you can select, let's say I go with this email address. Now, once I create the email account, you'll need to set up your domain, but that's just takes like 1 minute, so we'll give you those instructions. So now if I click create account, like so, it'll create it right there. It'll assign an email, a password, and most importantly, to get started, you'll want to click the three dots on the right, click on domain setup, and this will kind of give you the instructions here. Now, when you set up your domain, just one thing to note is that for these two records, you'll probably put an @ symbol on your domain registrar to get this hooked up. And these will turn green on the right once it's hooked up properly. Once that's done, you should be able to send and receive emails. So to sign in, you could just click on this link right here to open brainmail.com in a new window here. And the email and password will be from here. So I can click on this to copy the email. I can paste it. And I can click on this to copy the password and paste that in here. And then click sign in. And then it works just like any normal email client that you would expect. So I can click on compose to send an email. But again, before you send emails, just make sure you properly set up your domain name if you're using a custom domain. Now, if you don't want to do any domain setup, you could just create a new email account. Let's say another person on my team is Bob Jones. Let's get bob@brainmail.com if it's available. Actually, let's do bob.jones. And let's just select brainmail.com, which everyone will have, and click create account. And there we go. We have our brainmail.com account. Now let's actually log out of this account, discard, and let's log in here with my brainmail.com account. And let's put the password and sign in. And voila, we're here. Again, you can set your contacts, your drafts. It just works like any normal email client. You got dark mode, of course. Now on the left, there's a couple things you can click on. One thing you might want to click on is admin, because in here you can set up forwarding. You might want to set up your phone, for example. A lot of people like to check their email on their phone. So if you click on client setup, you click on that. It'll give you the instructions you need to add it to your phone. Basically, it's brainmail.com, and then it's just your email and password, which you'll find right here. For that email account, you can grab the password here. So that's pretty much Brainmail in a nutshell. I can click on this link to go right back into my email, and here I am. So have fun with it, send some emails, make some emails for your entire team, and let us know what you think. Have fun.